Hi there, everybody. It's Amalia, and I'm here today with some jewelry. Today is the collab for having fun making jewelry with Deb Houck's Crafty Cottage, and I'm here with some projects that I made. So, one of the prompts for this month was to use colors like orange and or purple and or black. And I'm sure it was, you know, there was an additional prompt to use something like skulls, so like for the month of Halloween and stuff. But I've been using my set that I got from BB Craft, and this was a bead set that had all the beads and finding supplies to make all the different Christmas style earrings. Sorry, can't find my words today. And so that's what I made today. And I'm going to be making them actually for next month too. I'm just going to use this whole set because I've been having fun making it. It makes it so easy just to make a few little small earrings. I made 2 snowmen and a pair of angels. The snowmen have black beads to make the hat. This one has a nice, what do you call that? Like a bowl, not like a bowler hat or just like a regular hat. Nice black hat, and the center is a green rondelle with little green crystals on it, and just plain white clear crystals. They came out so cute, super cute. So I was able to stick with the color theme for sure, using those black beads that came in the set. Then there was a second one with black beads, and this was a like a stovepipe hat, you know, a long hat like the one that they used to say that President Lincoln wore. So it just comes with a long, I guess this is called a bugle bead, this long black bead here. And this type of black flat bead is called a lentil bead. And this one has red around, like I guess a red scarf around the middle. And super cute, huh? So cute. I was having so much fun making these because they were so cute. I decided to go ahead and make another one. This doesn't have anything black in it, but it's one of the angels. It has I don't know what this is called, a rondelle. I don't think this is called a rondelle, but this particular bead had some crystals in it. It's like the shape of a wing. You know, this teardrop shaped bead right here. For the body, another round bead for the head. Super cute, right? One thing I did find that a couple of the pieces had some of the crystals missing. Like, so for example, the wings had some of the crystals over here missing, but they were in the container. So I just I used the jewel picker to fish them out of the container, and I used some crystal effects. What's this called? Crystal glossy accents. Just some glossy accents to stick them back in, and I was able to get them back in. This rondelle had one of the red beads missing. I didn't find that one yet, but if I find it, I'm going to replace it for sure. So yeah, anyway, these are my super cute little earrings. And I had so much fun making them with this set from BB Crafts. If you're interested in getting a set like this to make some of these cute earrings, just go to bbcraft.com. I'll leave a link below so that you can go ahead and not only find this set at bbcraft.com, but with a discount code. You'll find it underneath the list of other people participating in this collab. Please go ahead and take a look in the description bar and click on those links and check out what everybody else made. And thanks so much for watching, everybody. I really appreciate you stopping by. I hope you have a wonderful day, and bye.